Hi everybody, it's Tiny Tip Time and this is Belinda Allen. Now, last week I shared a tip with you about how to make the matrix look like a tabular pivot table. And I had a great tip from Fred Kaffenberger. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. One of the things he suggested was taking off the auto fit in the columns, and this could be very helpful. You could see this particular column, it's got a long title, so to make it fit or auto fit with that title, it's got a lot of blank space here. So if I were to come in and add, let me select this visual, if I were to come in and add available credit to that list as well, then it's a little hard to read and we have all this blank spot here. So what Fred is recommending is we go into the format option, we go to column headers, open that up, and then we turn off the auto size column width. And now one of the things that we could do with this by doing that, let me come back over here, let me get rid of available credit. I'm going to come in and adjust this width so it looks a little more like that. Maybe I'll do the same for customer balance as well. And now I've got this where it's set the way I want it to be. I've manually controlled the width, and now I can easily come in and add in the available credit. Got to put it in the right area. And if I wanted to, I could shrink that up as well. Let me just stretch out the customer balance a little bit more. And now I've got a little more control over the reports. Great tip, Fred. Keep them coming. Hope this helps.